and in the club today we're taking a look at the Casdon Dyson ball vacuum cleaner, and it says that it's a little helper just like the real thing. It's 63 centimetres high and for ages 3 to 8 years, and it has a working suction, cyclone action, and also realistic sounds, and it twists and turns as you vacuum. So let's turn it round and take a look at the other side. So there's some more pictures of it there, and the working suction, twist and turn, and the cyclone action. And here it says, see how my Dyson turns corners? I'll empty the dust box ready for next time. Watch the whizzing cyclone action, and my Dyson looks like the real thing. So let's take it out of the box and let's give it a try. Right, so here we go then guys, and it looks like we've got the handle here. Yep, so that's our Dyson handle. And here is our Dyson. And lastly, in the bottom of the box we've got the instructions here, so I'm going to take a quick look at those, and it looks as if we need 4 large batteries, so I'll fit those and we'll see how it works. We'll just turn it over to the battery compartment at the back and get this section opened, and then we can put the batteries in. Right, so here's the compartment for all the batteries, so we'll just whiz those in. Be sure to get them in the right way around so that your Dyson works just like the real thing. And then we'll replace the battery compartment lid, and we'll just get this done up. Make sure it's nice and secure. So there we are, there are our batteries in the back, and it's coming into shape now. So we'll put the handle on the top. So there you are then guys, there are 2 on-off buttons. So the first on-off button is just at the top, and that makes the cyclone in the front work. Very good it is too. We'll just turn that off. And at the back here, and here's the on-off switch. And you can hear that, that's the suction of your little helper. Oh no, there's been a McFlurry spillage. Let's try out our little Dyson helper. So we'll switch on. And here we go. My goodness me, it's really working a treat. Wow. Nearly done. Well, I can't believe that. That's fantastic. So we'll just turn our Dyson round, and at the back it has a chamber where it collects all your dust, and in this case McFlurry snow. And we'll just open it up here, and this is the little chamber where it collects all the debris, and here we can see. Now we'll just pour it back into our pot. La 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 la.